Again. And all that poop scooped off and all that hay pulled out. Gotta put in this new hay. And make sure they can be nice and cozy in there. Serves as protection for the eggs. And they get a little bit of privacy if they can build up some sort of a bedding for themselves. Make it easy for them. Hey, chickies. About to let the rest of them in. When I came in here, most of them were out, so I took my opportunity. Top the feet off. Have them some water. Putting some of this hay down so they're not walking in mud. I got them a few logs so they can perch on so they're not in the mud. And when they're out in the big yard, I got them some wood around the stump of that. Alright, chickies. Well, now I gotta get over there and open the door for him, if he'll let me. Got it open. Come on, chickies. Chicky. Yesterday I used a shovel and was pushing all this water out into the yard so they're not having to walk through so much. What the heck? You're supposed to go in the door. I ain't got nothing. I put it in there for you. Boy. Forgot to shut the door. Hey, chicky booms. There we go. Chicky. Yeah. Got some fresh feed. Here you come. Come on, chickies. Come on. You're almost there. Come on. Oh, you don't like that. Come on, chickies. There you go. Come on, chickies. Those are good chickies. It's hot, y'all. Cheers and thanks.